Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial for the Cricut Joy. I have already brought in my designs here and now I'm going through the settings, and so I chose matte because I'm actually cutting these from a mat, and then I am going to resize or replace where I want them on the mat based on the way I've placed the vinyl on the mat. So I have two colors of vinyl that I'm cutting, and I have one above the other, and I just want to make sure that these fit in line with the vinyl. So you can see the photo there of the vinyl, and so I'm just kind of moving things around on this first mat to make sure that everything is placed correctly and nothing gets cut off, or I don't know, I've had it so many times where it's just cut off one little edge. So now I am going through the settings and I am choosing Smart Vinyl, I think it is. I'll show in just a second here. Smart Vinyl Permanent is what I have found works well with my regular types of vinyl on the Joy, and then I choose less pressure. It just seems like my blade tears up the vinyl if I don't choose less pressure. So then you can hit continue and it starts to load and cut, and it'll count all the way up to 100%. I didn't want you guys to have to sit through all that. And then you hit unload and it pushes it out of the machine. So now I'm deleting these two designs because I'm going to bring in my text. So here's where I show upload. I choose my design. I insert the image. Now I'm going to resize it because I want it to fit on my 2.5-inch keychain acrylic blank. And you can use this lower right corner to move and expand it, but it stays in proportion. If you unlock it, which is the lower left corner, you can change it to go a little further down, be a little taller. It does kind of distort it, so you have to be careful. Now I just right-clicked and copied, and then right-clicked and pasted. So I have two designs in here. The other thing that I need to do is make sure that they are attached, because if you don't attach them, so you're clicking in the lower right corner, if you don't attach them, then it separates all the words and makes them cut on the mat in the most efficient way. And what you want is to keep them together so you can put them together on your project. Now I'm moving them the same way I did before to get them onto my vinyl. And I am cutting two different colors again on this one. And I'm going to choose the same settings, the Smart Vinyl Permanent. So I'm actually going to browse and I'm typing in Smart Vinyl, choosing permanent and hitting done, and then choosing less pressure, especially for the text. I don't know, I have a hard time. I don't know if it's me or if it's my machine, or this is a brand new machine. I've used it I think twice, so the blade I know is sharp. Now it's I've hit continue and it's going, and then once it's done, you hit unload and you are done. That is the quick settings and the way I cut these circles for these keychains. Thank you. See you later. Bye.